Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Good morning. Here's your cruise news for Friday the 13th. Norwegian Cruise Line is working with the CDC after two guests that have sailed on Norwegian Encore this past December were diagnosed with Legionnaire's disease. This is a serious type of pneumonia linked to water systems. Now, while the exact sailing hasn't been disclosed, NCL has begun precautionary testing of Encore's hot tubs, showers, and faucets. So far, all results are negative, and the ship continues to sail on schedule from Miami. Previous guests are urged to monitor for symptoms like fever, cough, and muscle aches. And a proposed mega ship terminal near Tampa's Florida Sunshine Skyway Bridge is continuing to draw backlash and now harassment. Manatee County officials say that their staff, even their children, are being targeted over potential port projects, which are still in early discussion phases. It should be noted the proposal led by SSA Marine and Slipknot LLC hasn't been formally submitted yet, but environmental concerns and zoning questions have already stirred fierce opposition. County leaders are calling for civility as they await a formal application and begin a full public review process. And the machines are in control. Yeah, Italian shipbuilder Fincantieri is teaming up with a robotics firm, Generative Bionics, to develop a humanoid welding robot designed to assist workers in the shipyards. Now, the AI-powered robot will handle complex welding tasks and is expected to improve safety, efficiency, and production quality. Testing begins this year at Fincantieri and is part of the yard's push towards robotics to address growing production demands and labor shortages. And the photo of the week comes from Becky in Texas. Oceana Laura here in Cozumel. Great photo, Becky, with that sunset and all. You can send yours in, photos@cruiseradio.net. All pictures are subject to broadcast. And cruise stocks were mixed Thursday. Carnival Corporation down 1.5%, 32.60. Royal Caribbean down slightly, 332.80. Norwegian up 1.3%, 23.25. And Viking down 2%, 75.15. If you have a lead on a story, let us know. Tips@cruiseradio.net, and have yourself a great weekend or a 3-day weekend if you have one. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today. Take care.